Calcifying epithelial odontogenic cyst, Gowland cyst. Introduction. Calcifying epithelial odontogenic cyst (CEOC) was first described by Gowland and Associates in 1962, thus named as Gowland cyst. A cystic lesion in which epithelial lining shows a well-defined basal layer of columnar cell overlying layer that is often many cells thick and that may resemble stellate reticulum and masses of ghost epithelial lining or in fibrous caps. Classification. The WHO in 2005 reclassified this cyst as a cystic neoplasm, the ghost cell tumor, according to which there are four groups of classification. Group 1, simple cyst, calcifying epithelial cyst, CEOC. Group 2, cystic associated with odontogenic hematoma, a benign neoplasm, calcifying cystic odontogenic tumor, CCOT. Group 3, solid benign odontogenic neoplasm with similar cell morphology to that in CEOC and with dentinoid formation. Group 4, malignant odontogenic neoplasm with features similar to those of dentigerous ghost cell. Incidence. Age. Peak frequency second decade. Gender. No sex prediction. More common in children and young adult. Site. Commonly anterior part of mandible, usually central bone but also peripheral lesions seen on gingiva. Clinical feature. Swelling is more frequent. Pain, if infected, lingual expansion may sometimes be observed. Occasionally, the calcifying odontogenic cyst may perforate the cortical plate and extend into the soft tissue. Extraosseous lesions tend to be pink to red, circumscribed, elevated masses measuring 4 cm in diameter. Radiographic feature. Unilocular radiolucency, but a few have been multilocular. Regular outline with a well demarcated margin may be irregular or and may have poorly defined margin. Irregular calcified bodies of varying size and opacity may be seen in the radiolucent area. Here is a radiographic picture of Gowling cyst. Histopathology. The cyst lining should show proliferation to the point that it resembles ameloblastoma, that is, columnar cell over which are stellate and spindled cells in an arrangement that suggests stellate reticulum. Within this proliferation of epithelium cell undergoes the characteristic ghost cell keratinization. Also, there is presence of patchy foci of calcification. Here is the histopath diagram. Treatment. Basically enucleation. However, cyst is associated with another odontogenic tumor such as ameloblastic fibroma, then a wide excision will be required. And when CEOC or Gowland cyst is associated with complex odontoma, a conservative removal is adequate. Thank you.